Hi there, I'm Helen Osmond from Osmond Education. I'm an award-winning maths tutor and I've got a little video here to show you how to do this important real-life maths skill. I was in Marks and Spencer's the other day with my oldest doing a little bit of frantic last-minute shopping before we go on our holidays. This was on one of the boards, the picture above me. It's a list of currencies and their values. Currency conversions is a real-life skill. Comes up anytime that you're going to travel abroad because we need to turn our currencies, the currencies of our location, into the currency of where we're travelling to. Now, I'm in the UK, so we will be changing British pounds into potentially the euro or the dollar for the US or the Canadian dollar or the Australian dollar, maybe the Swiss franc, all depending on where you are going. I'm going to do the demonstration here using British pounds, but if you are in a different location and are using different currency, the maths is still the same. You will need to look up your own currencies though, because currencies change on a daily basis, if not more. So these are already out of date. Please don't take this as financial advice in any way, shape or form. I'm just demonstrating how to do the maths. You can go and see your own values at the current time as you watch this. So what do these numbers mean? Well, this value here, the euro, is telling me that £1 is worth 1.2726 euros. That's the conversion between them. It means that if I have £2, I've got double the amount of euros. I've got 2 lots of that. If I've got £3, I've got 3 lots. What I'm actually doing is a multiplication skill. I am multiplying my pounds value by 1.2726. So for example, if I was on holiday and I was taking £150 worth of cash, then I would multiply my 150 by 1.2726 and I would get how much I've got in euros. Now I'm just checking the number. It's 190 euros 0.89. Now, we always round to 2 decimal places when we're dealing with money because there are 2 decimal places when we have money. Think pounds, think cents. It's always 2 decimal places. That's my conversion. Simple. But perhaps I'm on holiday and my youngest child wants to buy a toy or a souvenir from a shop and it costs 20 euros. How much is that in pounds? Well, I'm going the other way. I'm converting back from euros to pounds. So I'm going to do the opposite action. Instead of timesing, I am going to divide by 1.2726. Now, if I put that into a calculator, that would tell me that it's about 15.72, £15.72, using this exchange rate when I took this picture. And that's your conversion rates. You multiply to turn from pounds to euros. We're dividing if we're turning back from euros to pounds, because the pounds is the currency I'm starting with. Similar concept then, let's have a go. And if I was going to the United States of America, I would want to change, for example, £600 into dollars. So the exchange rate for dollars is this one here. I'm exchanging for 1.4746. So I'm going to multiply 600 by 1.4746 into the calculator to find out how many dollars that would give me. That would give me $884.76 to the nearest cent. It's just multiplication. Now, if I'm actually going to a bureau de change to change my money, what they will actually do, in the majority of cases, is you will say how much you want in your currency that you are going to, and they will tell you how much that's going to cost you. So we're going the other way again. So for example, if I said I wanted $800 in cash, then they would tell me how much that is in pounds. Can you see I'm going the other way now? So I'm going to divide by 1.4746. Now, again, putting that into the calculator, that gives me £542.52. If I convert £542.52, I will get $800 worth of money. That is our currency conversions. And it doesn't matter what currency you have. You take your base currency, your starting currency. For me, that's the British pound, 1, and I'm going to multiply to turn it into my currency that I'm going to change. And I'm going to divide to come back to my original currency. Now, if you are wanting for a little shortcut here, the iPhone, which is my choice, has a convenient little feature. Inside its calculator, if you go, I'm just going to change my pen for a highlighter here, and press this button down here, okay, it will bring up this setting, and you've got a convert option here. Now, if you toggle this on, so it moves this way, it will change so it looks like this. So now I've got British pounds and euros. I can click these 2 arrows here, and that will bring up my list of currencies. You can scroll through and find the currency you want. I've got euros selected, but perhaps you wanted the Hong Kong dollar. That's down here. You can scroll and find it. Once you've got your currencies set up, you can then put in the currency that you want, and it will tell you what the conversion is. That's powered by Yahoo Finance, so you've got a rough idea of how much things are going to be. So why not have a go over the holidays with your teenager? Have a go and see if you can do the currencies this way, and then check it on your phone or using an app afterwards. I hope that's a really helpful little video for you. I am from Osmond Education. We provide GCSE and A-level maths tuition online, so you can connect with us anywhere around the world. If you are interested in finding out more about us, feel free to visit our social media pages on Facebook or Instagram, subscribe to us here on YouTube, or drop us a message through our website at www.osmondeducation.co.uk. Let me know how you get on with this one. I'd love to hear.